If you want to quickly enable silent mode and mute everything on your iPhone Air, let's see 3 easy ways to do that. The first way to turn on and off silent mode is by pressing and holding the action button, which is, by the way, defaultly set to silent. If it's not in your case or another action is set in here, you can enter settings, then go to action button, just swipe left or right to silent mode, and then just get out of here to set mute on action button. Another easy way to enable silent mode is by swiping down the control center and then simply tap on this bell icon to mute and then unmute your Air. In case the icon is missing in here, just hit this plus icon. To add a control, simply search with silent. The icon will show up. Just tap on it to add it to your control center, from where next time you can turn on off mute mode. In addition to that, you can also get to settings, scroll down to sounds and haptics, and along with all the sound related settings, you can turn on off silent mode from here as well. And when your Air is in mute mode, a muted bell icon will show up right beside your chime. That's it. Thanks for watching.